Embark on an adventure into the heart of New Brunswick's forests, where innovative research meets sustainable hardwood management for today's forests. Join us for an unforgettable field day workshop showcasing cutting-edge forestry techniques and innovations. Our journey begins at AV Group's New Brunswick's freehold land in Skiff Lake, New Brunswick. Here, over 75 professionals from research, academia, industry, and forest management gather for a hands-on learning experience. Experts guide us through 4 unique sites, showcasing the best management practices for sustainable forestry. First stop, we meet Karine Anku, an expert in managing red maple clumps. Walking into the stands, we engage in hands-on learning, observing flagged red maples and understanding the challenges these clumps present. Karine provides an overview followed by detailed discussions with interested participants. Next, we explore a plot that underwent treatment 10 years ago. This sparks critical thinking as we discuss the prescribed treatment and whether more basal areas should have been removed to control beech regeneration. We delve into New Brunswick's tree classification system, assessing the risks and vigor of different trees. Our journey continues as we walk 600 meters to 3 different plots. Here, we apply the 5-step silviculture prescription system to an unmanaged stand. This efficient tool recommends specific treatments for hardwood-dominated forest, fostering in-depth discussions on land management, operator training, and adaptive silviculture. Technology takes center stage as participants use the SPS app and mobile devices, learning to leverage these tools for effective forest management. Midday brings a well-earned barbecue lunch, generously provided by Alpa Equipment. This is a time for refueling, networking, and sharing experiences. Participants have the unique opportunity to try an interactive portable harvest simulator tool, experiencing cutting-edge technologies firsthand. Alpa and Ponzi demonstrate the Landrich 2.0 harvester, designed to handle large hardwood trees efficiently and sustainably. We also witnessed the Wingtra drone in action, a remarkable tool from SDF Solutions that makes large area surveys quick and accurate. Our final stop is a trail of a 3-year-old UTA and CTA treatment, where we apply the SPS post-treatment implementation checklists. By evaluating variables like trail spacing, basal aerial removal, and desired species regeneration, we ensure effective forest management. After a fulfilling conference on silviculture, climate change, and technology research, we wrap up the event with a promise to follow up on all we've learned about hardwood management. The Northern Hardwood Research Institute continues to lead the way in sustainable hardwood management, leaving us inspired and eager for more.